In summer 2021, historic Hudson Valley will host Slavery in the Colonial North, a Landmarks of American History summer workshop from the National Endowment for the Humanities. We will explore historic sites throughout New York State's Hudson River Valley, reading these sites as primary sources. We will consider how some histories have been preserved and promoted, and how we can find evidence of untold narratives. At Phillipsburg Manor, we will examine the way that enslaved labor drove the economic engine of the Atlantic colonies. But we will also discuss ways that the enslaved community responded to the condition of enslavement. At Van Cortlandt Manor, we will consider the conflicting narratives of a prominent patriot family who fought for independence yet enslaved others. On a walking tour of Lower Manhattan, we will examine New York City's history as a center of slavery and the slave trade in the North. Guided by leading experts, we will broaden our content knowledge of slavery in America, while also gaining confidence in how to teach this subject in the classroom. Join this community of scholars as we work toward gaining a fuller and more truthful understanding of our nation's history through slavery in the colonial North.